What's going on YouTube? Today I'm gonna try to solve this very important question, and that is how many videos I need to upload to YouTube to be successful, or is posting more videos gonna make me grow faster? And the answer to this is actually slightly surprising because it's yes and no in the same time. I'm probably not the first one, but I'm gonna tell you for sure there is no single answer for every single channel. There is actually channels that post 7 videos a week and grow really fast. There is also channels who post 1 video a month and just after 10 videos they reach million subscribers. And this is not a joke, this is actually happening. And then you have channels that post even 10 videos a week and they can't grow at all. So let's bust this first myth: just posting more videos will not actually make your channel grow any faster. Obviously there is little more to it. If you're posting really focused videos in the same niche, then yes, technically posting more videos will actually give you some chance to grow faster. But in the same time, if you're posting just a lot of random videos, to be honest with you, that's not gonna do much. There is one thing I gotta say though: if you just posted 5, 10, 20 videos, or you have like under 100 subscribers, post as many videos as possible. And this has nothing to do with YouTube algorithm at all. Think about it. If you post more videos, you're gonna become better at posting videos, you're gonna become better at recording, editing, so your next videos are gonna be awesome. And then when your videos get to this point that they're really good, you can start reducing the amount of videos, but basically increasing the quality. Now, I'm definitely not saying if you were posting 5 videos a week to drop it to 1 video a month, because that might be just too drastic change for your audience, and you definitely don't want to lose subscribers or viewers, but slightly reduce the amount. So for example, you were posting 5 videos a week, then finally you get really good at editing, maybe start posting 4 a week. Then 3-4 weeks later, reduce to 3 a week. And then you have to feel what's going on in your channel. If there is really good response to this 3 or 4 videos a week, you can keep going as long as you can keep up with the pace. But if you see that 2 videos a week do way better, then stick only to these 2 videos, but edit them at the highest level. Also, some videos are relatively simple, like for example, gaming videos. Now, I'm definitely not discrediting gaming videos, they all good, but they don't require so much research per se, so you can make more of them a week. But then if you make video about formation of the planets or some huge lessons in history, obviously that's gonna require a lot of research, and there is actually channels that post 1 video a month, but those videos are epic, they very long videos in the same time, and sometimes after just few videos they literally gain hundreds of thousands of subscribers. Important thing is, no matter how videos you're gonna actually post, to be happy with these videos. And what I mean is not being overwhelmed with these videos. Don't just post videos to post videos. It's better to focus on what video to make next that is gonna be a really great video, even if it's lower amount of videos per week, per month, and etc. If you really wanna grow on YouTube, make every single video better than the previous one, and you will. Also, if you don't have specific niche on the channel and you're posting YouTube shorts, then short, post as many of them as possible and one of them or 2 might hit. Thank you so much for watching, but don't focus on the amount of videos, rather on quality, and that way you will always win. Also, if you're trying to grow to 1,000 subscribers, click this video right here. I forgot if it's here or here, but you'll find it here. And of course, stay motivated, make another video today, and I see you in the next one. Bye guys!